Hello everybody, my name is Anna and I am making my Pseudo TED Talk. What questions should educational research focus if willing to shape better educational possibilities for curious learners? The educational research nowadays concerned with a huge amount of questions dealing with interesting and important aspects of learning. But the key understandings about the education we already have today, aside the fast emerging progress our world is going through, leads me to think about one crucial aspect, one important question as I see it, educational research should be concerned with. The question to focus now is educational research willing to shape the education of future and not only be a part of its evolution. And the question is, how can we make the global education more efficient in a new, maybe not discovered yet ways? Most of the people today have the possibility to reach information and knowledge through the internet, which is pretty amazing thing. Aside, we can see already the shift in the old style education, which originally developed in the name of targets are irrelevant today. Online education, widely used today, provides learners experience that is far away from conformist classroom. It breaks the limits of time and space. So, what are the new innovative teaching methods we have today in this fast-changing, full of technology, new reality? Michael Bodeker asking the same question, and he finds it quite disappointing. Books being turned into ebooks, blackboards being turned into YouTube videos, and lectures, monologues turned into MOOCs. So there is no real innovation happening here. So what I'm asking is, how can we innovate the teaching methods of the global education? How can we shape the learning experience to be more efficient, useful? How can we simplify the educational key concepts and organize it correctly? How can we engage the emerging technologies to shape the new education in a way it will propose a new educational experience? Here, example of Arthur Benjamin, which is thinking about an organization, the math topics curriculum to fit the new world. Another example by Michael Bodeker, how can we engage the emerging technologies to shape the education on science topics? And of course, there is more example of such innovation, but there are still a lot of issues to take care of. Like, for example, poor ways we have now to deal with textual usage. Since the print revolution in 16th century, nothing conceptually new was invented to deal with text reading, text consuming. We still try to stack the printed book in a new ways of information transition. I am saying we should search after alternative ways to dealing with text in educational context. And as Colorado Education Initiative suggests, we already have all the resources we need to make changes in education. We just have to think creatively and harness them better. And also, I suggest we should focus the right question.